Hello, welcome to the Digital Signal Processing course. My name is Antti Pironen and I'm your online instructor. So fundamentally, I'll go here through briefly the the, the contents of the web page, what you just received by the link. Okay, so on the home page, you can basically just get the table of contents, some words about the course. Then on the next chapter, general, actually it gives a introduction of how the things were done on the on extended classroom edition, although there are also some details on the course itself, and also other materials. So basically all of these sections, they have the video and also the online slideshow and some other information. And basically we have 5 different exercises, and after that, so those are basically standard exercises, and after that you will have individual project topic. Okay, so for example, first actual topic here is the signal fundamentals. On the video, I'll go through this video material, the slideshow material, and this is actually a live recording on the face-to-face classroom, and there I have been also doing some scribbling on the whiteboard. You can find also the whiteboard pictures just following the links. So they are basically pay a lot of attention of the pages, since everything is there. Just click on the videos, slideshows, or any of those links. Each topic also includes a tutorial, except the embedded part. So each exercise have about 1 hour tutorial about the topic, how to do things with the MATLAB. If you don't have MATLAB, you can actually also use Octave for the exercises. I have tested all the exercises. They are doable with the Octave without no problem, actually. Since the Octave is also it's quite similar, let's say it that way. So, and then each exercise also, whatever I go through the MATLAB myself on the exercise tutorial, I also have the command history file available. So basically, this is everything what I did during the tutorial of first exercise on last August, actually. Okay, so, and after that tutorial, there are actually the exercise report template and also the submission link. So basically, go first through the exercise instructions. They're quite detailed instructions, and there might be actually some things that you need to also ask my help. So please don't hesitate to send me an email. That's the first name dot last name @metropolia.fi, or actually it's the same address where you get this link. Then we have the working instructions, and yes, so just follow the instructions. You will get and return the exercise. Then you get your points you deserve. Okay, so each exercise has the template, and if we open it, it's actually a Google document. Okay, now you need a Google account. Unfortunately, I don't see any ways, other ways to do this course than using your Google account. If you are a Metropolia student, then you have a Google account by our agreement with the Google. Otherwise, you may need to use your personal Google account. Anyhow, first thing what you need to do is to make a working copy of this exercise sheet. So basically, just go under File and there say make a copy. After that one, it is yours. So now you can start editing. You have only viewing rights for the original, of course, and then basically then you can start working on the exercise right here. Okay, and first things first, you can work also in groups or pairs. Just write all the names of the group, and only one return is required per group. Okay, and each exercise basically has about 10 different questions. Some of them will give you some points, and basically, for example, here create an index vector from -3 to 15. You will write the MATLAB or Octave commands. How did you solve that problem? Okay, and after you have finished it, you need to share this document such that anyone with the link can comment. So on the sharing, click on the sharing options and click anyone with the link, and access method can comment. This is very important since I will be giving you some feedback as soon as I have done the assessment. So I can give feedback only if you have shared this correctly. If you don't share it correctly, you are also losing a point. Okay, so basically, when you are sharing it like that, then you just need to copy that link and return it by a submission link where you paste your link. Okay. For example, like this. My address is antti.piironen.metropolia.fi names. So I'll just fill this just for fun. Exercise, which one? It was the first one. Link to answers. That's the most important. If you want to see what you send, well, click on send me a copy of the responses, and yeah, you're not probably a robot if you are, listening to this. Okay, submit. That's it. So now just go and you can go and move forward on the second exercise. Okay, next topic would be system fundamentals. But the same thing. I have video with whiteboard pictures. There's a slideshow also. Then there's the exercise tutorial video, my command history, what I did there, and with some functions, some additional information. And again, exercise template, which you fill by working on a MATLAB or Octave program, and then submitting the results. All of those 5 topics: signals, systems, responses, FIR filters, IIR filters, have their own assignment. This embedded part, basically there is no exercises on the topic for now. That's because on Metropolia this is taking care on the project, since we are teaching the embedded systems. Then the project, about the project. So those 5 exercises will give you a maximum of 50 points. And then 30 points comes from the project. And the project, basically, you have some, you can select your own topic on basically, but I also provide a list what kind of topics there are. Usually, basically, if you do any kind of filtering on almost any kind of platform, including also the mobile programming platforms, you can get the project topic. And as soon you have a project topic, you need to register your topic. Okay. Again, just a form to fill title of the project and short description what you are going to do. Okay. So please fill in that part. Okay, and then wait a minute. There's this. Oh, okay. When you are done with the project, you submit your project report using basically the same link as in report. I'm trying to keep up the as well as I can during the summertime the scoreboard. Basically, I have a scoreboard, online scoreboard going on all the time. Okay, currently there are only two names who has returned something, but this will be updated, say frequently, so you can see what points you scored. Although I always give you some feedback and also tell you your points, how much you scored on each exercise. Okay. Anyhow, so we have a maximum of 10 points on those exercises and then 30 points on the project topic. And basically, the maximum points is 80 points. I'm using a, say, adjusted H5 scale, meaning that if you score 1, I will give you H. It's the same. It means passed. Okay. And if you do the project, then you can have actually more points and have a real assessment grade, something, a number between 1 and 5. Generally speaking, if you do your project, on earlier times, I have some history on this the course. If you do the project, the final score is most probably 4 or 5, because, well, it's a little bit hard topic usually. So if you do it, if you nail it, you actually also can score a good number. Okay, if you are interested about what grade you probably can get. This will also the percentage scale will also give you some sort of hint how much you still need, or how much this total number. The 85% correct gives you grade 5, 75 gives 4, 65% gives 3. Okay. But anyhow, so that's how you do the course. Then there's one link more basic. I'll show you that one. It's about frequently appearing mistakes. This is a good document, a living document, what to avoid on your returns. This was very common problem before I started the marking this down. So link does not open. It's very simple to make a mistake that you share the, for example, if I will just show you what not to do. You open this one and just click the sharing on, or just copy the link. If you just copy the link, it doesn't share anything yet. You can share it to yourself, but you actually have to go and click those sharing parameters correct first. So everyone with the link can comment. This is important. This is also the only feedback channel, or well, the best feedback channel. Let's put it this way. Then another one. This is Google. For the return channel, you need to actually uh, save those Google documents as Google documents. Don't give me PDFs. Don't give me Word documents, since I cannot comment them online. I'm not going to save any of your files into my computer. I'm just going to open the link, where is the Google document, and then give comments on your document directly. Okay, that's just about everything now. So basically, then I have this 3 digits of your student ID. If you do not have a student ID, then you can actually make this 3-digit number, for example, from your address and postal code. It's basically just a semi-random number that forces you to make those exercises yourself. Okay, so it does not really matter what number you use. This is a good standard way of using it or generating it. But if you do not have any student ID number, for example, if you are studying on Open University and haven't got it yet, then just basically any numbers you use regularly. Any numbers will do. Just make a note about that you don't have student ID number on the return there. Okay, so that's just about everything. So do the 5 exercises and a project on time, and I will then on your own time, and then I'll just assess them. If you have questions, basically you can also send me email. I'm quite good on reading my email and also answering the questions. So I hope you have fun with this course. This is an interesting course. It's also a hard course. It's it's applied mathematics. So yes, the foundation has some heavy math in it, but it's very applied kind of mathematics. You can immediately see the results, especially when you're starting to go the FIR filters or IIR filters. So how to filter data. That's what it's all about. So I wish you good luck, and let's keep in touch.